Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send your Monopoly Go link. Alright, before we get started, what you have to do is make sure you have updated to the latest version of Monopoly Go from your Play Store if you are on your Android, and you can also update your Monopoly Go from App Store if you are on your iPhone. Alright, so once you have done that, let's get on to the video right away. Alright, so the first step is to open your Monopoly Go application. Alright, so once you have done that, on the bottom right side you can see the option for friends. Click over there, and over here you can see the various options. Here you can see there are 3 tabs: add friends, timeline, and here you can see the leaderboard as well. So yeah, you have these 3 options. Now what you have to do is, here you can see the option for invite friends. So what you have to do is click over here, and it will generate a link for you that you can send to your friends and family. And what you can do is give them the link, and they can join the Monopoly Go with that link as well. So here you can see the click on invite friends, and now again you have to click on invite, and here you can see this is our custom link. Now what you can do is copy that link, and after you have copied that link, you can send it to your friends and family, and they can join that link. With the help of that link, they will even get some bonus prizes and exciting offers with that link as well. So yeah, that is how you will be able to share your Monopoly Go link. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.